Out with the old, in with the new Tracker Pro 17 panel upgrade. Let's get it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Kevin again with Culprit Racing. This time around we're working on this tracker we picked up. It's a Pro 17 93 model. Needed some work, and overall shape is pretty good. Happy with it for the most part. One of the things though, we got most of the wiring done, but the switches were giving us a little bit of trouble. They were being kind of finicky. Had to rebuild one switch, and after we did that we had another one end up needing some work. Tried to rebuild that one and it was kind of going you know, not the best. So rather than get out on the water and have issues with it down the road, we're going to go ahead and upgrade to this new panel I just showed you. It's a pretty nice piece. I think it'll match the boat pretty good. It's got the blue, it's got your readout for your voltage, you know, the 6 gang toggle switches and places to charge your phone and stuff up. So overall, should be a nice piece, should be a good upgrade for the boat, and yeah, we're pretty excited about it. We're gonna get right to it. So first thing you notice here that we've done is the tracker plate here on the front. It's kind of old and faded anyway. I might end up replacing, you know, this side of it over here too, but I basically just went through and cut it at the right length to match up with the width of that. So for now we're just going to mount it in there like that. We may end up coming back and putting aluminum over here on this side, but that'll, you know, time will tell on that one. So basically we'll pop that out. As you can see, we got like a mess of wiring here that we got to get transferred over to the back side of this panel. They had it wired from Amazon. I'll put a link down to the particular panel in the description. It's nice the way it came. Now granted, I've taken the wires off of some of the switches because I don't want them all to run at off the same power source. I want them to go to the fuse panel first and then to come here. These two down on the end, I'll leave those wired the way they had it as an accessory panel or accessory switches. I think those will be fine that way, but the other ones I want to run off the fuse panel and then over here to that. So that's where we're at with it. I'm going to set you guys down. We're going to see if we can get these wires switched over and get this thing mounted in the dash.
Alright guys, I really hope you're enjoying the video. Just want to take a second to invite you over to Culprit Racing Spread Shop, where you can find all sorts of merchandise. You name it, it's probably in there. So go over, find you something you like, take a picture of it in action, and send it over to us at yurkit_offroad@yahoo.com. I think it'd be a really cool thing if we could include some of these pictures at the end of our videos and share it with the rest of the community. Every order you place on this site is greatly appreciated, and it really goes a long ways to make sure that we're able to continue to bring you the content just like this.
Alright, there we go, guys. We got one upgraded switch panel. This one turns the lights and the battery function on, which obviously I need to charge that. That's your accessory one. Aerator, bilge, and then our lights, navigation, and anchor. So yeah, pretty cool little upgrade. I just got to get everything cleaned up in the boat now, and we're going to take it out, give it a test run. Alright guys, we got this one finished up. Quick little video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like down below. Leave us a comment if you got any questions. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks and God bless.